Da na 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 na. Yeah, I know. I'm jumping on that whole TikTok thing again, and I can't get that song out of my head. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 6 things that make a video go viral, as well as really trying to hone in specifically on the kind of videos that you should be creating for TikTok. So stay tuned. Welcome back. I'm Jay Franco, and in this week's video we are talking about creating video content for TikTok, and I'm going to be sharing with you 6 ways that your video can go viral and that you can create a really incredible video for TikTok in this video. And I have been on this whole little kick on TikTok because I'm completely obsessed with the platform. I don't use it as much as I was using it, and I'm not on it as much as I used to be. I'm trying to cut down my consumption and my obsession because I can get into this like little rabbit hole where all of a sudden I'm spending hours on the platform consuming, laughing my rear off, and just like hysterically laughing by myself. And my husband walks in and is like, "What's going on?" And I'm like, "Oh, I'm on TikTok." And he just doesn't get it. I mean, he's a Gen X, he's an older Gen Xer, and I'm a like Zennial, so he definitely doesn't get it at all because I have millennial tendencies over here. And I think the platform is incredible. TikTok is definitely mobile first and short video first, and I think that's what makes it so consumable, that shortness, and also the fact that it's on my mobile. Like, I can like pull it up in the middle of my workday. I've done it in a meeting where I've had my headphones on and like I cover my headphones with my hair, and I'm literally scrolling, and I have to contain myself from laughing in a meeting because otherwise people will find out that I'm on TikTok. So, again, what is TikTok? TikTok, as I was saying, it is mobile first and short format videos. And the best way for you to consume is to follow people on the platform, browse popular videos on the For You page, or what comes up for you in the trends, and also through exploring hashtags you can really find videos that you're interested in depending on the hashtags that you search. So why is it so disruptive? I'm telling you, it's addictive, it's disruptive, it's raw, it's awesome. And the reason why is because they have found a way to pull participants in, whether you're just on the TikTok platform to just consume, you will eventually, I promise you, participate by using hashtags, the trends, the dances, the duets. They will get you. I'm a total sucker for it. I started consuming, and that's one of the key things, that it's just so awesome. And there's several types of video formats. One of the video formats that they have that you will end up participating in is definitely filming yourself dance. I did the whole sweet something song, whatever, where you do this hand gesture, and I did it. And it got me literally learning the dance just so that I can kind of do a video just like everyone else. And then the second type of video format that is found on TikTok is usually a sound clip, and it's usually a short video of telling a joke, and the joke follows the same kind of construct and the same format as all the other joke specific videos. So you just kind of tailor it to yourself and to meme yourself, or joke, play a joke on yourself, or to poke fun at others or yourself. And so that's one particular style of format. The other format, as I said, is like the dance format, where you're literally just copying and like the dance moves, and you're creating a video just based on that. And then the other type of format is when you're using song clips and short videos to tell TikTok users and to tell the TikTok audience more about yourself. You've got, I'm pretty sure if you haven't been on TikTok, you won't know what I'm talking about, but there's this one specific song where it's like, it's like a little loopy song, and everybody's doing like this deal where they're like slow motion moving, kind of like avatar-ish, like you're in a game. It reminds me so much of when I was playing Pogo and my little Pokemon avatar would stand and she's like, you know, just doing this deal. That's exactly what that is. So that video right there, and if you've seen it, you've seen a lot of users on the platform use that specific song, specific format in the video. They're doing the exact same thing, and on the side of the video, and I'm gonna put a video here that kind of shows you what I'm talking about, and it describes and tells and shares with the TikTok audience a little bit more about you. So those kind of videos really go really well. So this type of format is another type of format that, you know, you can do, where you take what you're seeing on TikTok and you're doing the exact same thing, like literally verbatim, and all you're doing is changing those deliverable keys, such as when you're trying to share with the TikTok audience who you are, or a joke, or you know, for instance, you know, these are about like millennials and stuff like that. So really funny. All right, so 99% of the videos are always the people doing the exact same thing, and it's literally over and over again the same song, same thing, same everything, with just a little flip, or from your perspective, this is how the video is going to be done. So no matter what you do on TikTok, guys, this is the best time to take what you see and apply it to yourself and say, oh, I can totally do one of those videos, like the yep and no video. I have a yep and no video right here. Everyone's doing yep and no videos. Yep, nope, yep, nope. And so all I did was do the questions on my video and say, you know, people are always asking what I am. You know, are you Filipino? No. Are you Armenian? Are you this? Are you that? Are you whatever? And then last but not least, are you Mexican? And I'm like, yep. So take those type of videos and just apply them to them yourself, because that's what really, you know, it's all about on TikTok. And as I said, again, I'm going to reiterate, 99% of all the users' videos are exactly the same thing. So take someone else's, swipe it, make it your own, and that's literally what you need to be doing and the kind of videos that you need to be generating on TikTok. At the end of the day, it all comes down to luck and timing. And in my next video next week, I'm going to be talking about timing within the TikTok algorithm, how it works, how it exposes your videos to users, and how you end up on the For You page, and how they deem certain content more for you rather than other content. And again, you know, how something goes viral. Just to show you, this guy right here went viral, and it had 158,000 views in the beginning. Since it went viral, it's gone up, you know, another 1,000 views. But then you've got videos like this guy that I can't even get 100 views on, and most of my videos are averaging about 6,000 to 7,000 views, some of them 5,000. It just so happened that that one video ended up at 158,000 views. Crazy, right? So again, luck and timing. I happened to wake up so early on a Saturday morning, and I'm like, I'm just gonna post this video from last night of me and my dad dancing and doing a little wapango at my mom's 65th birthday party, and that thing went viral. People were commenting. I mean, people were even talking about my shoes, trash talking, like, calm down, girl, we see those red bottoms. I'm like, girl, you can't even afford them. Just don't worry about it. Don't worry about my red bottoms. I'm dancing with my daddy. So, as I said, I mean, it's crazy. Luck and timing. Absolute perfect timing. So, again, stick to the 3 types of formats that I just mentioned to you earlier in the video. Take your life and apply it to the formats of the videos. Do you know how many yep and no videos are out there? I know, a million. So take your life and apply it to a yep or no video, and I'm pretty sure that you will get some really great views. So think about what way you can use a yes and no answer to that song as well as video, so that you can actually generate some views and get your audience to be attracted to that video that you just posted. All right, so what makes a great video? Well, what makes a great video is definitely lighting. So make sure you have amazing lighting. I sometimes use my ring light that I'm using right here to film my YouTube channel, so I usually do that. I definitely always use my iPhone, so you do not have to have incredible cameras. You just need a really good high quality smartphone that can render clear video. That's all you need. You need incredible lighting, because there's a lot of times that some of the videos, they were great, but they just were missing that element of good lighting so that the video can be nice and clear and crisp. Number 2 is make sure that you shoot your video, and when you're shooting your video, that you sync in with the music and the lyrics, and that you're in sync, and that you can literally, when you're doing your voiceover, that you mimic the timing, of the dances. When you're doing that whoa, that you're also hitting it on the mark, because you don't want to like whoa when it's not whoaing yet and you're totally off key. So that's another thing that makes a really great video, and also key elements of going viral, right? Number 3 is make sure that you're posting videos 1 to 2 times a day. I saw the best growth when I first started on the platform, and I was getting really excited about the platform, and I was doing 1 to 2 videos a day, and then I stopped. And so now I don't grow as much. But if you do stick to the 1 to 2 video a day, you will see actual growth. You'll see engagement, and the probability of you landing on the For You page with any one of your videos that you're posting is a lot higher, because the algorithm just favors everyone. I'm telling you, it's literally luck and timing. That's like the key thing. Number 4 is be original. So yes, I just said copy everything everyone else is doing, but do it in your own way, with your own characteristics, with your own personality, with your own flavor. I have not been able to do a whoa in forever. I couldn't even do it. I was hanging out with people one time, and I tried to like, what is this deal that they do? And they're like, what are you talking about, Jay? And then somebody's like, you mean the whoa? And I'm like, yeah, that. I couldn't do it until just recently. And I don't do the whoa like everyone else does. I kind of like made it my own and made it kind of just work for me. So when you are creating a dance when you are implementing the same steps, or you're trying to sync your voiceover, or when you're lip syncing, do it in ways that you can do it yourself. There's that one little TikTok video where they're like, and they're doing this deal. Well, there's not a lot of originality that you can do. However, think about ways that you can incorporate that trend into a way that fits you and your personality, and that you can share with TikTok audience who you really are. So that is what I mean by being original. And number 5 is look at what's trending, look at what's on the FYP, the For You page. Look at what's going on in For You, and look at all the videos that you see that are similar. You're gonna see a lot of the same similar videos in the For You page, especially when it's catered to yourself, and try to duplicate those videos. That's one way to make a great video, when you're doing something that everybody else is doing, because that's what TikTok is all about, remember? And finally, number 6, what makes a great video is practice. When it comes to TikTok, yes, you might have to practice a little longer those little dance moves of yours, just like I practice my whoa. You are going to need to practice just a little bit to make it a really great video that is worth liking, commenting, and sharing and watching over and over again. So those are my 6 tips for you in creating an amazing video that can possibly go viral. And as I said, make sure that next week you stay tuned because I'm going to talk about the algorithm and how to rank your videos. My dog is going crazy over there, so I think that's my cue to tell you guys, besitos a todos y nos vemos la próxima semana.